Welcome back, lawn lovers. BW here. Hey, something's been digging in my renovation. And I don't mean just here and there. It's been digging everywhere. This seems to happen every year in my renovations, but this year it's the worst I've ever seen. From up here, maybe you can see all the little spots where something's been digging. Most of the spots are in this area closer to the house that's coming in much slower than the area closer to the tree. There's been very little digging under the tree for some reason. It's September 23rd today, or 23 days after planting my new grass seed. I had some cool weather after planting, so germination took 8 days. This is roughly 2 weeks after germination. I get a lot of gray squirrels around here at renovation time because of the neighbor's oak tree. They do a lot of digging to bury acorns, but so far they're mostly just eating the acorns. They'll start to bury them later. When they do bury them, they always cover them up nicely so that nobody else can find them. Unfortunately, after the tree runs out of acorns, they'll come back and dig them all up again, but it's too early for that now. Whatever is digging in here now is looking for something else, and not being courteous enough to cover up the holes they're digging. There are some deeper holes around here, but most of them look more like scratchings. I've been trying to repair these things every day by walking around and trying to fill them back in with my hands and feet. I hope this will help the baby grass, but if nothing else, it'll at least help to keep the soil surface as smooth as possible. Wait, here's a clue. A half-eaten earthworm, or nightcrawler as we call them around here. That may explain why I've seen this guy and his two pals late at night drinking from the bird bath on my deck. I've had very little rain lately, and I've had to water a lot to keep the seed and seedlings moist. That brings up all the earthworms at night. This has been like an oasis of earthworm activity in my neighborhood, and why these rascals are tearing up my renovation every night. I've been watering between 1 and 3 p.m., and that has been a surefire way to keep the soil moist. But I think I'm going to have to try watering in the morning and letting it dry out during the daytime. Maybe that'll keep the worms down and the raccoons away at night. It'll be trickier to keep the soil moist that way, but I don't know how much more digging this poor renovation can take. Oh, here's some quackgrass that survived the kill. Quackgrass is the real dickens because it grows long underground rhizomes that the grass killer sometimes can't reach. The mother plant dies, but the rhizome will send up a new plant. I'll keep an eye out for these and wipe some grass killer on them here in the fall and early next spring, while they're easy to see and wipe. I'm not sure why my Kentucky Bluegrass renovations always seem to come in so unevenly, but they do. Unless it's a very shady area, they always end up filling in by themselves the following summer. It's really amazing how it does that. Don't get discouraged if your Kentucky Bluegrass renovation looks like mine. Just look closely where yours seems to be thin, and you'll probably see many new grass plants that just don't seem to be doing anything. The Kentucky Bluegrass will grow and fill in during the following spring and summer. If it doesn't, or if you just get too antsy and lose your patience, you can always apply some more seed. Well, this mystery's been solved. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can do it.